the library was far more important than the synagogue in terms of affecting me and those around me who were curious, because you'd go in and you'd see books with strange covers, you'd pick them up, and suddenly you're reading something you didn't know anything about and want to know more. And for people without money, the library was a way out. And it was great. And we had a nice little library, and I was there all of the time. And that was that, and listening to radio. My education came by way of the library, radio, and occasional talks I heard on WNYC, the local station, that got me interested in subject matter, whatever it was. And eclectic stuff like that, just picking up knowledge here and there, but not in the official places where you're supposed to learn it, because they were not there to teach me, they were there to control me.